Hello viewers, are you wondering on how to solve this maths problem? So come with me as we solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's begin with the solution. So remember to watch this video up to the end. So we have 10 here. So 10 to the power of a minus 1 is equals to 200. So we need to express 200 to the base of 10 because 10 is a base and a minus 1 is an index. So that means that now we need to introduce the log from both sides. So in this case now we shall have the log. So here now we shall have the log of 10 to the power of a minus 1 is equals to the log of 200. So in this case, 10 to the power of a minus 1, we can also express it in a different way. So assume or note this, that when we have something like the log of p to the power of m, so this one can also be expressed as m log p. So let's express the log of 10 to the power of a minus 1 in the form of m log p. So now we shall now have this one. So we shall now have a minus 1. So a minus 1 log 10 is equals to the log of 200. So now we have expressed it in the form of m log p. So our next step now is to divide both sides by the log of 10 so that we remain with a minus 1. So in this case now we shall have, so all over log 10, so this side all over the log of 10. So here now we shall have the log of 10 and the log of 10 shall cancel each other. So in that case now we shall remain with a minus 1. So a minus 1 is equals to the log of 200 all over the log of 10. So in this case we can still proceed and factorize the log of 200. So we shall now have a minus 1 is equals to, so the log of 200 can also be written as the log of 10 there multiplied by 20. Then you shall put them into the bracket all over the log of 10. So we can also express this one by saying that a minus 1 is equals to, so according to the law of logarithm, we shall now have the log of 10 plus the log of 20 all over the log of 10. So now we shall have, so from here now we can now go ahead and say that a minus 1 is equals to, so let's split the whole of this equation by dividing both sides by the log of 10. So here now we shall have the log of 10 all over the log of 10, then here now plus the log of 20 all over the log of 10. So here now we shall now have a minus 1 is equals to, so the log of 10 and the log of 10 shall cancel each other. So now we shall have 1 plus now the log of 20 all over the log of 10. So we don't stop there. So we are still remaining with less steps to go. So we can still factorize the log of 20 all over the log of 10 by now taking that a minus 1 is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 20 can also be written as the log of 10. So the log of 10 multiplied by 2 we shall put into the bracket all over the log of 10. So from there now we shall have a minus 1. So a minus 1 is equals to 1 plus, so let's express this following the law of the logarithm the way we did it last time. So now we shall have plus the log of 10 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 10. So let's split it once more by now saying that a minus 1 is equals to, here now we shall have 1 plus the log of 10 all over the log of 10, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 10. So in this case now we shall now say that a minus 1 is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 10 and the log of 10 shall cancel each other, so now we shall have 1 plus 1 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 10. So here now we shall now say that a minus 1 is equals to, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so we shall have 2 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 10. So this one is not yet still the answer, so let's proceed now and have, so as we conclude, so let's note that when you have the log of a all over the log of b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So I want us to write the log of 2 all over the log of 10 into the form of log a to the base of b. So in this case now we shall have a minus 1 is equals to 2 now plus, here now we shall have the log of 2 to the base of 10. So now finally we need to bring this negative 1 to this other side. So now we shall have a now is equals to, here now we shall have 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 10, because since it's a minus, when it causes the equal sign it will be a plus 1. So this one now marks now the final answer for this maths problem. So let us now, we can even confirm the answers and see if it's really correct. So this one is what we have. So let's now confirm. So let's confirm our answers very fast. So we had something like 10 to the power of a minus 1 is equals to 200. So here now we shall have 10. So 10, y is now to the power of a is 2 plus, so 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 10 plus 1, and finally minus 1 is equals to 200. So now this one is what now we are going to do. We shall now have, so 10 to the power of 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 10, so plus 1 minus 1 is 0, this one is equals to 200. So here now we shall have 10 to the power of 2 is 10 times 10, that is now 100. Then the sign for addition shall now change to the multiplication. Then the log to the base of 10 shall cancel with this 10. Now we shall have 2 is equals to 200. So 10 times 2, so that means that now we shall have 200 is equals to 200. So means that now we are correct. We conclude and say that the value for x, we now conclude and say that our value for a is equals to 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 10 plus 1. So this one now is our correct answer. So if you really love how we worked it out, please kindly subscribe to this channel.